Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by accessing the router admin now, log in at 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1 and authenticate. Once in, disable WPS and any Wi-Fi sharing or QR generation features so devices can't export credentials automatically. While here, change the Wi-Fi password and if needed the SSID, make sure you note new values. Also decide whether you'll issue a temporary QR code for guests versus permanent ones. Because short-lived. Next, remove any physical QR codes from public view and redact digital copies shared widely. Then create a guest SSID or VLAN that's isolated from your main network. Give it limited access and an expiration policy. Generate QR codes only for that guest SSID and make them time-limited or single-use, so scanning yields temporary credentials rather than permanent ones. Make sure to avoid embedding plain text passwords in materials. Use encrypted provisioning or captive portal workflows where possible to protect secrets. To finish, enforce strong encryption. Prefer WPA3 or WPA2 if needed, and apply a robust password policy. Disable SSID broadcast only if it won't break legitimate device onboarding, and revoke any old credentials and printed codes. Update all authorized devices with the new QR or manual settings, and keep a documented, minimal distribution process. If something goes wrong, check router logs for failed attempts. Reboot the router, and if necessary, restore from a recent config backup. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves misconfigurations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.